Hello there, this is Sujit, and today I'll be talking about two different coding challenges that we have. As you can see over here, the first task I have got is I have to generate numbers that are the sum of the previous number. In other words, it is also known as Fibonacci numbers. So I need to write a code that would display up to 50 sequences of the Fibonacci series. That is the first thing we need to do, and the other thing is we need to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. So what is palindrome? Like, it is a word that is that is equal to when written opposite. Suppose this word is same while writing forward as well as same while writing backward. So these are all the same category of word that are palindrome in nature. So let's quickly write down the code for the first coding challenge that we have. So while talking about the Fibonacci number, first I like to give you certain the theory. The 1 is created by addition of 0 and 1. 2 is created by adding 1 and 1 together. 3 would be like 2 and 1, and in this way it goes on and on. So let's quickly create a variable that should be counter variable. I'm sorry, let counter is equals to let begin with 1, and after that let define another variable. A is equals to 0, let b is equals to 0, and let c is equals to 1. Why are we declaring these three variables? Is we already know that this two number is it is the addition of 1 and 1. So this is the number that we will be storing in C, and this is the number that will be storing in B, and this is the number that we are storing in A, right? And the number that we use to display, sorry, the variable that we use to display would be B, so that should be 1, right, for this three sequence of numbers. So let's start a loop. So in Swift there is a repeat while loop, just like do while loop. So let's write it down, repeat. As I said earlier, we are going to print B as the display variable, and then after what we are going to do is we are going to assign B into A. So A is equals to B, right? Then after B would be nothing other than C, sorry, after that C would be just the addition of previous two numbers. Like just like the theory, A would be the first number, B would be the second number, and the third number would be the addition of first two numbers, right? But the display purpose we will be using the B as the display variable over here. And let's write it down, the condition. So until what condition we are looping? Until the counter is less than or equals to 50. Let's run it down quickly. Oh, I'm extremely sorry. So since all of these four variables are changing within this block, we cannot declare them as a constant, right? So let's replace all of them with var. That would be 8. The problem, the error will be disappearing. Okay, error execution was interrupted. Let's run it one more time. I don't know what that means. The sequence that we have obtained over here is exactly what we need, right? Let me quickly quickly rewrite this statement. Sometimes Xcode throws that kind of error, but in this case execution was interrupted. Bat execution instruction where c is equals to 1. Let me do something else over here. Let me run it again. Let's copy and paste it and run it. Okay. Oh, okay, I got the error over here. We forgot to increase the counter, so I think that would solve the problem. That was a kid's mistake. And we have solved one problem, and we are going over the other one for the palindrome, right? Palindrome is the most easiest one because we have to just reverse this string, right? Given a string would be something like this. Let's use radar as an example. If string dot reversed is equals to string, then print sorry, here we go, string is a palindrome, else let's copy the same part again, is not a palindrome. Let's quickly check radar. Cannot be applied to the operands. Okay, let's quickly convert this into string. In that way we can use this operator. Radar is a palindrome, that is correct. And let's put something like this, right? It should not be a palindrome, right? It's not a palindrome because we have written the capital case over here. So one thing I would like to do is I would like to lower down the case, lowercase. I thought there was the method already. Let's do something over here. String is equals to string dot lowercase. I think that should solve the problem. Okay, I'm sorry, why today I'm like declaring every variable as a constant. Okay, that is cool. So in case of number as well, just it is the same thing, right? 11011, it should be a palindrome. Okay, and 1, this is not a palindrome. So we have solved 2 set of problems over here, and that should be it. I'll be putting the link of this file into GitHub, and like I'll be putting this file into the GitHub and putting the link of the GitHub file into the description box below, so that you can quickly download and play it around. That's all for today, and have a great day. Thank you.